Another great example of doing some content marketing is using Vimeopro. Now that we just talked about YouTube, I want to talk about Vimeopro a little bit. Vimeo is also a video website with a very high page rank. Although it's not exactly as high as YouTube, it's still extremely popular. But there's another part of Vimeo which is called Vimeopro. Vimeopro is really great because not only does it have a high domain authority, which is about 75, I believe, but it also allows you to create these micro websites that are on a very popular domain. So this is kind of that authority marketing that we were talking about before. Now, you still have to create a video that you can place onto the microsite, but as a Vimeo Pro member, you can create an unlimited number of these microsites. And you can do, gorgeous HD video. You can show all sorts of cool portfolio stuff. But the great thing about it is the SEO visibility. You can create whatever page title you want to create, depending on what your username is, of course. And as you can see, these have really high domain authority. Now, you can write whatever you want on here on this screen. You can have big stylized heading tags. You can have text at the top, at the bottom. There are no ads that appear here. The Vimeo Pro, I believe they charge $199 a year, but it's well worth it because you can create these microsites, and the microsites are almost like these Web 2.0 sites. So, if you're serious about SEO, then I would definitely recommend checking it out. If not, you should certainly create videos for Vimeo itself, because Vimeo has a very high page rank. So be sure to kind of check out Vimeo Pro. I just wanted to throw this out there for you guys. It's just another avenue for doing the content marketing for whatever content that you're creating. Again, you have to take a look at the base content and then, develop your videos around the base content. But, there's several different places where you can upload those videos. YouTube, of course, is great, but, Vimeo and Vimeo Pro are other great alternatives as well, because you do want to ensure that, you change things up a bit. You don't want all of your links coming from the same places. So be sure to check that out, at least for sure. Set up a Vimeo account if you haven't already done that. I spoke about that in the 45 authority websites. So hopefully you already have a profile on there. Ensure that you set up all that information, and when you do start doing videos, make sure that you use Vimeo as well.